Hello everyone. Welcome back to Najami, and this is shortly about my project, the Fluppy. Fluppy is a privacy preserving eligibility based merchant payment protocol built on Stellar Solomon. With the Fluppy, users can prove that they are eligible or valid to make a payment without revealing their private credential. So what remains private is the user's credential or eligibility, not the flow of funds. The payment is still made directly to the merchant, which means Floppy is not a mixer. At the beginning, uh, you can go to run live demo video, enter the app to the demo payment. At the beginning, the application check whether the user already has a zero knowledge credential. If not as shown on the screen, the user needs to create a zero knowledge credential first. This credential is stored locally in the browser and is used as a private input to generate a zero knowledge proof. You can create the zero knowledge credential. You can input a number or anything if you want, and you can click the keep and encryption. And this is the backup when you forget your zero knowledge credentials for the backup. When you finish them, you can I have set it. All right. This is credential created successfully. After the credit is created, the user connects their Freighter wallet on Stellar's testnet, and the application then displays the wallet address and balance. You can input your credential and you can add the address wallet when you send the pay. Oh, I'm sorry. You can try to refresh your browser. Okay. Okay, when you finish to input the box, next the user enter the merchant address, the payment amount. When the payment is executed, the browser generates a growth 16 proof using Circom and Snark.js, then performs local verification before the transaction is submitted. If the proof is valid, the user signs the transaction through Freighter. You can pay with Zeka button. Click the button and waiting the zero knowledge. And when this is valid wrong, you can go to the console on your browser and you can run this command in your okay, waiting the contract to deploy on testnet for okay, when this is success, you can back on the payment. You can pay with CK. If the valid proof, the user signs transaction to Refractor. After that, the Soroban contract processes the payment, including the Merkle root check, deliver reply protection, receipt and amount binding, and atomic settlement, and waiting. Once the transaction is successful, the application displays the success status and transaction has which can be verified on the Stellar Testnet Explorer. For now, Um, Fluppy is running as a stellar testnet MVP with browser-side proof generation and local verification native on-chain Grok 16. Verification is still the next milestone. You can confirm the payment. Can see on the recent transaction. Okay. Okay, nice. The transaction has been successful. You can see on the Stellar Expert using your transaction hash. Okay, this is your finish. Payment has sent it on the contract. Alright. Thank you for the demo video. See ya and bye bye.